In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome Mobile. If you've ever opened a web page on your phone and certain buttons don't work, forms won't submit, or interactive elements just sit there, JavaScript is usually the key. It's the technology that powers things like menus, video players, and checkout pages. Turning it on ensures websites can run properly. We'll do this on the Google Chrome app for Android. If you're using an iPhone, a quick note. Chrome on iOS relies on the system's web engine, and JavaScript is generally enabled by default. There's nothing to switch on inside the Chrome app itself, so if a site still isn't working, consider updating your device and the Chrome app, or temporarily pausing any third-party content blockers. On Android, start by opening the Google Chrome app. Look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you into Chrome's preferences, where you can control things like privacy, passwords, and site permissions. Scroll until you find Site Settings and tap it. Site Settings is where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to do, including access to your location, camera, notifications, and, in our case, JavaScript. Next, tap JavaScript. You'll see a simple on-off control. Turn the switch to Allowed, sometimes labeled Enable JavaScript. If you see that it's blocked, just toggle it to Allow. That's it. Once this is on, websites will be able to load and run their scripts normally, restoring interactive features across most sites you visit. A couple of quick tips to make sure everything takes effect. After enabling JavaScript, refresh any pages you already had open. If a page still looks stuck, close the tab and reopen it, or fully relaunch Chrome. On the JavaScript screen, if there's a list of blocked sites, remove any sites you trust so they can run scripts. Also remember that per-site settings can override your global choice. If a specific site still complains, tap the lock or info icon in the address bar, open the site's permissions, and reset or allow JavaScript there. If you don't see the JavaScript option where expected, make sure your Chrome app is up to date through the Play Store. Keeping Chrome current ensures you have the latest settings and security fixes, and that's all you need. With JavaScript enabled, most modern websites will behave as intended, giving you a smoother, more interactive browsing experience on your phone,